seem to take a step off. Yes, I'm in now. So
nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing. Yeah.
Hey guys. Here. So I made it here to Tanzanica's.
and see what you got me.
Wait, my lips is dry in the damn asshole.
Oh yeah. What is that?
A miniature.
Oh. Do you have to work or are you playing around today?
Don't worry about Sasa. I got this. I got this. Alright, so I ordered some more glue from Erica J because the bottle that I have here, that's like a quarter fill, I'm going to take it home. So I got a brand new bottle for the shop. What did I buy? A whole bunch of bullshit.
Did you start doing my eyebrows?
Oh, I just booked them.
Bitch, that's why.
Y'all can tweeze them for you. I do tweeze
That shit
them.
gonna hurt.
I tweeze all the time. So this is glue that I get from Erica J. And this is the, what is this? This is just the regular one. You can see?
You know
and
what?
then how would y'all can see Tansy's face? You know what? I did buy this, but why?
What is it? The lace remover.
No, this is a skin guard. It's supposed to help your lace last even longer.
Skin guard.
Yeah, I don't know why I bought this. Why did I get this?
Don't do that. Cool me down.
What? Why is that funny?
I don't know. What smell like? Alcohol? Like
It does smell like a shot of a Ciroc. No, not Casamigo, Ciroc.
oh yeah, Ciroc. It does smell like medicine a little bit.
Oh, that's just a little bit of Ciroc. Let me stop. No, so you're supposed to spray this on.
Are we supposed to be smelling stuff like that?
I have no idea, but why? You think you're gonna get high? Stay out of that little brain of yours. It says clean your scalp and your skin thoroughly. Allow the skin to completely dry. Spray the skin guard on the skin where the adhesive and instructions on the skin guard. Question for the one in the back.
I know what that is. It's like fucking resin. Nail resin, you guys. This is the same thing. Right there, you glue the nail and then
spray that on your hair.
Yeah,
it's the same thing. You spray this on your hair, let it dry, and then you apply the glue. Like how you spray the nails and then you apply the glue for the nails. But I also got, this is the one that's for me. Well, not really, because, okay, so I don't really know. So I bought this, which is a sport. And the sport is supposed to last 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, so the brand is called Hold Me Down.
The brand, yeah, that's the name of the glue, Hold Me Down adhesive. It's by Erica J. And this is the, I don't poke myself in the eye. I think I'm a little Irish. Because that's what Irish people talk like.
I don't know what you be talking like. I be like, I don't know what she's saying.
I don't know, because this shit says it's supposed to hold longer. They both say it hold 2 to 3 weeks. So somebody bamboozled me or they bamboozled me.
Oh, yeah. Don't trip.
I don't know, but this one's supposed to hold extremely well and long.
What?
But I do not know. I do not like the top. Oh, okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that. There's an off and an on text. So the text in the front says off, the back says on. So you turn it on to press the stuff and it's pressing and squeeze out. But yeah, this one I think I'm gonna take home because that applicator is unsanitary. It's not
yeah, that's why you say stop the tapping. You see it. You're gonna take it home for your own use.
Yeah, see how it works, and then hopefully she'll release the sport in this bottle. Ain't that in my little cubby? Probably is the same shit, just a little extra fucking glue in it. Okay, guys. So I have to get to work.
Girl, she be in here playing around.
Really? Your room is so white. You guys see the shop in the back?
Don't worry, I'm about to go see what color I could splash in this motherfucker.
Oh, it's your ring light that's giving me extra light. I'm like, why my camera looks so bright? No. Oh, that looks good too.
This is yellow.
No, don't do that. I look like a damn chimney. No, don't make it cool. Make it back.
You just don't know.
I need to do my hair. See my dramatic baby hair I did this morning?
So wait, you gotta show me where I did that video at.
You guys see my lashes? I need my lashes done.
It was nothing, yeah. How you gonna go it all way? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna go it all way? Say you might know that it was not the same, yeah. How you gonna go it all way? Go it all way, go it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you really done. Running like you know, you got me going.
So this is my first time having this cinnamon dolce latte. It's good, and I always put a half a pump of vanilla in all my drinks because I feel like it just adds. This tastes like a cinnamon roll. Oh my god, I feel like I look a mess. I'm doing my hair today.
Somebody else so wild. This why they lay you down. You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me. Lied to me. You got me into the head. I've been taking on all this baggage. Acting on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average. You really don't play. How you gonna go away? How you gonna sit in and think it was nothing? How you gonna go away? How you gonna think it's on the body? How you gonna go away? Say it's not the same. How you gonna
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylist here. Today is day 1 of those twists. What your sickle says? See it day? Today's day 3. And I'm at work. So today's another 5 client day. And I'm also going to try to find time to do my hair. It held out longer than I thought it was going to. But it's time for something new when I pop up back home. You feel me?